The human gut microbiome acts as a vast logistics hub. Trillions of microorganisms populate this space as specialized resource users, each carrying out a specific task required to maintain the host's health. Modern diets create a structural flaw in this system by functioning as a serial input. We deliver massive quantities of a single, highly refined fuel type, like processed sugars or flours, all at once. This causes the specific bacteria equipped to process that single food source to overpopulate aggressively. While this microbial monopoly thrives, the other specialized bacterial communities are systematically starved of the distinct inputs they need to survive. Poor gut health is a supply chain failure. Without diverse inputs, the internal ecosystem collapses and the human host suffers. The traditional Indian Thali provides the biological solution. This arrangement of distinct bowls operates as a parallel processing network designed to feed the entire microbial city simultaneously. This multi-terminal delivery system prevents bottlenecks by routing vastly different nutrient streams to distinct bacterial groups at the exact same time. The first cargo line consists of indigenous rice and millets. These grains bypass upper digestion to act as the system's foundational, slow-release energy supply. Deep in the colon, specific bacteria deploy unique tools to dismantle these complex energy substrates through intensive internal fermentation. This process yields short-chain fatty acids, providing the vital energy required to keep the human colon lining alive and resilient. The second cargo line carries traditional dals and legumes. Within the Thali network, these pulses function as the primary supply line for protein and fiber. Specialized microbes deploy enzymes to break down the legume's complex oligosaccharides, materials that the human body cannot process on its own. This generates metabolites, beneficial chemical byproducts that the body uses to build new cellular structures. The third cargo line delivers diverse leafy vegetable preparations. These greens carry exceptionally dense concentrations of protective polyphenols. These plant fibers bypass upper digestion to deliver these polyphenols straight to the specialized bacteria in the lower intestine. These phytochemicals act as specialized software updates, docking with the bacteria and instructing them to manufacture potent anti-inflammatory compounds. By combining legumes with these dense greens, the Thali ensures the gut workforce has both the physical materials and the chemical programming required to defend the human host. The final, highly specialized cargo line includes fermented components like dahi and steamed idli. While other components provide fuel, these fermented items serve as a direct deployment mechanism for fresh microbial contributors. These reinforcements, known as probiotics, physically integrate with the existing network to support the native gut microbiome. These bacteria have a temporal advantage. They've already performed external digestion outside the body. They spend the overnight fermentation process neutralizing mineral-blocking compounds called phytates. This pre-digestion dramatically increases the bioavailability of the meal, ensuring nutrients are immediately available for maximum absorption the second the Thali enters the human system. When the entire system receives the full traditional Thali meal, the microbial distribution hub reaches its peak, operating with flawless, synchronized efficiency. Because the resources arrived as parallel streams, no single microbial group was left idle, and no single species could monopolize the environment. This engineered biodiversity creates a profound resilience against inflammation, metabolic fatigue, and illness. Long before the invention of the microscope or the study of gastroenterology, traditional Indian culinary wisdom had successfully reverse-engineered the biological needs of the human digestive tract. The Thali proves that to achieve optimal health, you must stop eating for one, and instead start managing the vast, complex supply chain for the trillions of biological workers keeping you alive.